Did you know a single 1,000-calorie shake can replace 2 average meals for most people? If you're struggling to fuel your gains, recover from illness, or just crush a busy day, stick around. We're blending 14 powerhouse recipes that'll transform your mornings. Hey, calorie crushers! Ever wondered if you can pack 1,000 calories into one glass? Whether you're bulking, recovering, or just need a fast, nutrient-packed breakfast, these shakes are your secret weapon. We're talking 1,000+ calories of pure energy. No junk, just science-backed ingredients. Let's explore. Sometimes you need a quick, calorie-dense meal. Ever skip breakfast because you're too busy? Or force down meal number 4 of chicken and rice? For hard gainers, athletes, or anyone with a fast metabolism, hitting calorie goals feels like a part-time job. And let's be real, most healthy smoothies leave you hungry by 10 a.m. That's where these shakes shine. Liquid nutrition that's quick, delicious, and packs a punch. Shakes can be a tasty solution. Let's break down 14 game-changing recipes, starting with my top 4 favorites. 1. The Tropical Escape Shake. Blend coconut milk, frozen pineapple, banana, cashews, and vanilla whey. Creamy, tropical, and loaded with 63 grams of healthy fats. Perfect for beach vibes on a Monday morning. It's 1,069 calories of pure bliss. 2. Chocolate Blast Shake. Chocolate milk, avocado, and hazelnut spread create a 1, 3, 2, 6 calorie delight. Chocoholics, rejoice! Avocado adds creaminess. Hazelnut spread brings indulgence, and chocolate whey fuels muscle growth. Pro tip: use full-fat milk for extra calories. 3. Mixed Berry Mass Gainer. Fitness influencer Joe Fazer's cheat code includes ice cream and frozen berries. Yes, ice cream! With 51 grams protein, this shake is a post-workout dream. Berries, oats, Greek yogurt, and ice cream make it 1,069 calories. 4. Vegan Chocolate Powerhouse. For a vegan option, the Vegan Chocolate Powerhouse combines coconut milk, spinach, and dates. Dairy-free? No problem. Coconut milk, peanut butter, and vegan protein powder deliver 45-gram protein and healthy fats. Bonus: spinach sneaks in vitamins without altering the taste. 1,008 calories. These shakes offer a delicious way to meet your calorie needs. They're perfect for when you're on the go or need a change from bland meals. Try them and enjoy a flavorful boost. Now, from peanut butter avocado bowls to carrot cake smoothies, we've got 10 more recipes, each with macros and prep hacks. Here's a detailed breakdown of 10 additional 1,000+ calorie shake recipes. Each recipe includes macros, key ingredients, and unique benefits. 1. Avocado Banana Powerhouse. 1,003 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 large banana, 1/2 avocado, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 scoop plant-based protein powder, 1/4 cup cashews, 1 tablespoon honey. Macros: 44 g protein, 89 g carbs, 59 g fats. Key feature: creamy texture with tropical coconut notes. Vegan-friendly if using plant-based protein. 2. Chocolate Sunflower Seed Butter Shake. 1,030 calories. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sunflower seed butter, 1 banana, 1 cup oats, 2 scoops rice protein powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup almond milk. Macros: 64 g protein, 171 g carbs, 31 g fats. Key feature: earthy cocoa flavor with vegan protein. Ideal for nut-free diets, sunflower seed butter replaces peanut butter. 3. Tropical Mango Bliss. 1,000 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 banana, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. Macros: 43 g protein, 147 g carbs, 34 g fats. Key feature: summer-ready flavors with 40 g protein. Perfect for post-workout recovery. 4. Gorilla Banana Smoothie, 989 kilocalories. Ingredients: 2 bananas, 1/2 cup oats, 1 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup cashews, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Macros: 42 g protein, 163 g carbs, 25 g fats. Key feature: no protein powder needed. Uses whole foods for calorie density. 5. Vegan Fruity Green Monster, 1,032 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1 cup frozen berries, 2 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Macros: 29 g protein, 136 g carbs, 52 g fats. Key feature: packed with antioxidants and healthy fat. Vegan and gluten-free. 6. Weight Gain Chocolate Indulgence, 1,000 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, 1 banana, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, 2 tablespoon peanut butter. 4 dates. Macros: 45 g protein, 75 g carbs, 27 g fats. Key feature: tastes like dessert, disguises leafy greens, adds spinach for extra fiber. 7. Protein-packed nut butter shake, 1,000 plus calo. Ingredients: 2 scoops whey protein, 2 cups whole milk, 1 banana, 2 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1/2 cup oats. Macros: 101 g protein, 113 g carbs, 51 g fats. Key feature: over 100 g protein. Ideal for bodybuilders and hard gainers. 8. Avocado Mango Dream, 1,185 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup mango, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, optional. Macros: 18 g protein, 120 g carbs, 70 g fats. Key feature: highest calorie count on the list. Rich in healthy fats and vitamins. 9. 2016 Calorie Mega Shake, 2,000 plus kcal. Ingredients: 3 scoops whey protein, 1 cup oats, 2 bananas, 2 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup walnuts. Macros: 93 g protein, 250 g carbs, 80 g fats. Key feature: meal replacement for extreme bulking. Split into 2-3 servings if needed. 10. Keto-Friendly Chocolate Cherry Shake, 1,137 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, 1/2 avocado, 1 cup frozen cherries, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, 1 scoop collagen peptides. Macros: 54 g protein, 30 g net carbs, 85 g fats. Key feature: low carb, high fat option for keto dieters. Now, the MVP ingredient, sunflower seed butter. This underrated superstar adds 190 calories per tablespoon and pairs perfectly with cocoa in our chocolate sunflower seed shake. It's vegan, nutrient-dense, and tastes like dessert. Game changer. These shakes aren't just about calories. They're about smart fuel. Whether you're gaining muscle, recovering, or conquering a hectic day, these recipes are your morning upgrade. Drop an emoji if you're trying these. Want more? Hit subscribe for 5-ingredient meal preps and post-workout hacks. See you in the next blend.